Jack, rip that door.
Huh. What are you doing here?
Getting you out. Here, put this on. You'll need it.
You could get into a lot of trouble for doing this.
Not anymore. Things have changed. It's your father. He needs you.
My father? But he's gone, Anya. He's dead.
No, he's out there. He needs you.
Anya, wait. What the hell's going on? Anya. Wait.
The Locust have broken through to his house and called in to sleep. Goodbye. He says he's sorry. He says...
Marcus, what in God's name are you doing here? You're going to get yourselves killed, both of you.
Come on, Dad. I've come to get you out of here.
I've got to save my research. Do you understand how important it is?
Dad, keep your head down! Okay, everybody find some cover. Spread out along the wall. Come to the stairs! Look out! We've got more ground! Take him out! We gotta give him some time! It was always his work my father cared about. His research. He tried to save his work. I tried to save him. I disobeyed orders to do it, but it cost us the battle. Couldn't blame them for court-martialing me, or for the life sentence. So the war went on while I was rotting in prison.
There it is! Raven inbound!
Marcus, we've got to go.
I still couldn't save my father. But you can't save him.
Now hear this. Marcus Phoenix and Hazard Watch to CIC immediately. Phoenix, Santiago, and Stratton, report to CIC immediately.
Yeah. I heard you the first time.
Hey, Phoenix. You looking for Santiago?
It's okay. I know where to find him.
Lambent stalks detected. Damage response team, muster at hangar deck. All personnel, alert state. 2.
Great. Come on, Dom. Armor up.
I've got crops to take care of. If we don't grow it, we don't eat it, remember?
I think the radishes can cope without you for a while.
Okay, let's get this over with.
Deck 2, secure all hatches. Sea safety team, close up on Deck 2. Prepare for inbound raid.
The Raven's coming back. Sam and Cole just took off for supplies.
Maybe Baird forgot his wallet.
Come on, Jace. Work to do. It's Stock City out there.
All right. Give me a second. Damn, nearly got it that time.
That candy's like 10 years old, man. You're gonna puke your guts up.
Yeah, well, that's a price I'm willing to pay.
Guys, CIC, now.
This is Captain Michelson to all ship's company. We've now entered Lambent waters. Go to Alert State 1 and secure for action.
At least the old man still takes the threat seriously. Folks seem to forget how we ended up like this.
Out of sight, out of mind.
Yeah, well, not me. Those damn things are still out there. And I'll be ready for them.
Roger that, Sovereign. KR-01 inbound. Estimated landing in 5 minutes.
Joey shit is over, man.
Yeah, tell me that when you got one scrambling.
You came between Dom and his radishes, Lieutenant. This better be good.
Good? Probably not. A shock? Yeah. Guess who's come back from the dead?
Do I get a prize if I'm right?
Chairman Prescott.
No shit.
You mean ex-Chairman Prescott?
That asshole. He ran out on us 18 months ago. What's he expecting now? The red carpet?
I'm waiting to find out.
Warship Sovereign.
Hang on.
This is KR-01 requesting permission to land. One passenger, Chairman Prescott.
KR-01, this is Sovereign. You are clear to land. Deck team standing by.
Wonder where Prescott managed to find a helicopter. He sure as hell didn't leave with one.
He never called, he never sent flowers.
Oh, I can't wait to hear this shit.
I'll get the popcorn.
Damn, those stocks are gonna do some real damage one day.
Nash, get out of there! They're behind you now! Action stations! Action stations! Lambent attack to starboard bow! Unidentified variant!
Unidentified area?
Standing off until deck is secured. Slowly. Great start for the debut. Come on, people. Let's get up there.
What the hell is that? I haven't seen that shit before.
They blow up just the same.
Come on, get off the ship. All clear.
Sovereign to KR-01, you are clear to land. The forward lift is being raised for you. Stand by.
Copy that, Sovereign.
Bet he strolls back in here like nothing happened.
Better park that nice new Raven carefully.
Let's give the traditional stranded welcome. Strip the chopper for parts.
You think he knows that the cog fell apart after he disappeared?
You think he cares? Chairman Prescott, welcome to what's left of the cog.
I'll have answers for you, ladies and gentlemen. But later. I need to see Colonel Hoffman immediately.
Hoffman's been gone almost as long as you have, Chairman.
He's dead?
He left to take a group of civilians to Anvilgate. Captain Michelson's the senior officer now. Not that we have much of a military left.
I'd better talk to the gallant captain then. I have a mission for him. Oh, and Sergeant Phoenix, you'll want to see this.
better not be a shopping list. Let's go check it out.
Who the hell does that asshole think he is?
Prescott's gonna find out an ex-chairman doesn't count for shit with Michelson.
Action stations. Landed and boarded the ship.
We just stood
are under
down.
attack.
Shit, they're attacking in waves!
Let's go, people! Sooner we kill these things, sooner we get to CIC and find out what's so important on this goddamn disk.
So which idiot said he wanted to see some action for a change?
Well, say it comes in threes.
Try this!
Ship's company, remain at action stations until we are clear of Lambent waters.
Yeah, good idea. Let's get upstairs and see what's on the disc. Sweet.
There. Finally got it.
Marcus, if you get this message, if you're still alive, I need your help.
Oh,
This
God.
time I really am asking
Marcus.
for your help. Please.
It's your father.
Listen.
Yeah, I
It's
noticed.
complicated and I don't have much
Wait,
time.
but I thought
Leave it, Jace.
I'm being held prisoner by the Locust. I've developed a solution for the Lambent problem. They think they can use it to kill humans as well, but they don't realize
Marcus, he knows about the Lambent. And he looks older than when
Then when we saw him die, I know. If he's still alive, I've got to find him. Any way to tell when this was recorded?
There's no date code. Hang on.
they don't realize that it won't save the Locust. Sarah's dying, Marcus. The whole planet's infected. It's the emotion that's killing it. It was always the emotion, you see, and I can stop it. I understand it all now. I've tried to contact you for years, but I've been
Damn machine. Baird's never here when you need him.
Brace! 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 Brace for impact!
I'll figure out a way to decode the rest of that disc, Marcus. We'll find it.
Come on! Everybody get out there and finish these assholes!
This is the chairman.
Great, now he wants coffee.
I'm under attack in the captain's cabin. Michelson's badly wounded. I can't hold it off alone. We require immediate assistance.
Prescott, this is Phoenix. Hold on, we're coming. Come on, move it. We gotta get down there. Prescott can't handle this on his own.
everyone off the deck! Get out of here! Go, go, go!
You fucked up my tomatoes, you asshole!
Come on, stop them before they get below deck. Trages! Throw it back! gotta move on! We've gotta help Prescott! Anyone near the lift controls? Raise the deck lift!
You got it, Phoenix!
There's a fire! Grab the extinguisher! Let's get these fires under control!
Prescott better not be dead. Not yet.
Keep your fucking head down!
You must take off! Why not? Well, find someone to do it! Oh, very well. Stand by.
Michelson's gone.
Phoenix, get down to the hangar. The helicopters are under attack. We need to get them airborne right away.
Are you wounded?
Yes, but
Then you stay here, and you don't move until we get back. Understood?
I'll try not to get myself killed, Sergeant.
Yeah, you do that. I'm not the conversational type. But when I get back, I want a nice, long chat.
I'll come back and give you first aid as soon as we've got the choppers away, okay?
We should have handcuffed him to a pipe, in case he does another disappearing act.
He's not going anywhere without his chopper. Delta to hangar deck. KR units. Anyone down there? We've got to get those Ravens in the air.
Delta, this is KR-03. My bird's intact, but my crew's down. I need a hand.
Hang tight. We're on our way.
Oh shit, you hear that? Sounds like more polyps.
Damn it, they're in the pipes. Clear them out. We got a pilot waiting. Prescott, you still there?
I'm not dead yet, Sergeant, if that's what you mean.
Just checking. I'd hate to lose you all over again. We're almost there. We just have to get through the storeroom.
It's been pretty hairy down here, Phoenix. We lost a lot of men. We still got 2 Ravens unable to lift off.
It's okay. We'll take care of it. Nice! Watch our flank! Chopper out of here!
He's dead! We can't raise the lift!
You just worry about getting that Raven in the air. We'll take care of the lift.
Okay, thanks, Phoenix.
Minor delay, 01. Gotta clear some glowies first.
Fire in the hole!
Okay, let's get to the control room. One away, one to go. KR-03, are you ready to launch?
I'm pinned down at Bay 3. I can do with a hand here.
Hang tight, we're on our way. Time to turn and burn. We'll be your new crew.
Right. Let's start the engine. Get the lift race.
Holy shit! What the hell's that?
It's not a stock!
Look out! It's coming back!
It's a goddamn Leviathan! Come on, people, give it everything you got! Oh, yeah!
What? They jump!
Frag out! Come on, let's get up top and sink that bitch before we lose anyone else! Find the lift controls!
Party's not over!
Oh, no you don't! Everybody, on the lift!
Smell that smoke?
Prepare to evacuate. All non-essential personnel, report to lifeboats immediately. Prepare to evacuate.
That doesn't sound good.
Yo, the whole deck's on fire! Come on, flood it! If it spreads, we'll lose the fuel tank!
Find a valve and get the irrigation pumps going! need to open 2 more!
Look out! There's one landing on deck!
Piece of shit!
Down slow!
That's him down.
All right, that's 2. 1 more to go.
Hey, get out of there! Those tanks are gonna blow! Oh, damn it!
We're gonna lose the whole ship if we don't get this fire under control. Grab the extinguisher. That thing can't take a hit.
Everyone okay?
We must be in engineering. Miracle we didn't get killed.
Marcus, whoa! That's one big, ugly motherfucker.
Cole, can you see this shit? Where's your bird?
Baby, we got a grandstand view. We're crossing the bridge right above the ship.
Any way you can kill this thing from where you are?
Putting it scientifically, we need to blow his brains out of his ass.
We'll get Baird to come up with an idea. Come on, we've got to find a way back up to the flight deck.
All lifeboats away. I repeat, all lifeboats away.
Watch the tentacles! Look out! It's smashing through the deck! Okay, let's get up top before that thing comes back.
Marcus, while you were taking a break, the blonde genius had an idea. Can you lower that bitch to the front end so we can give it a headache?
Animals just love me. Stand by, Cole. We're gonna need a bigger cattle prod. Let's use the 2 silverbacks in the maintenance bay.
Marcus, run! That thing's gonna flatten us!
Okay, the 2 silverbacks are in that bay. Let's get the door open.
Time to do some damage!
Oh my god!
It's back! Get that thing off the ship! Come on, brass it up!
Go for the ice!
Keep shooting till it moves!
Oh, that's nasty!
Hold it off! Shoot it in the face!
Hey, where'd it go? You think it's giving up?
Probably getting its second wind. Keep firing!
Oh, shit, we're cornered! That thing's smarter than it looks! We've got to get it right under the bridge! Keep shooting! It's almost there! Keep firing!
Aim for its mouth! Shoot it!
Oh, I'm sorry! Did that hurt?
Position. You ready?
Go! Give us a minute!
Tell Baird he's just blowing shit up, not like the goddamn symphony.
Yeah, but we got our own problems up here!
Oh, you're gonna be scraping us up in a bucket if you don't get a move on.
Well, find some cover fast, or else you're gonna be swimming in some glowy gravy.
What the hell's he thinking? Run!
Hey, I thought you'd enjoy the witty irony of Grub on Glowy Island.
Yeah, fucking hilarious! You're gonna blow up the whole ship, genius! Get clear! Jump!
Hey, Carmine, you alright? You're awfully quiet.
Someone's gotta be, with Baird yapping all the time.
Well, I could gag him if you like. Be my treat.
Remind me why we thought Hanover was a good place to look for supplies?
Baby, you gotta trust the coal train to find the goods. This is my turf, Cougar's territory.
Yeah, 'cause that's gonna count for a lot right now. Okay, 7-0, we'll call you back if we find something.
Roger that. Good hunting. So this is home, eh, Cole?
Classy. Has it changed much since you've been away?
Hey, the whole damn world looks like this. Let's move out.
Whoa, whoa, take a look over there. I'm guessing that used to be a stranded outpost.
Ugh. Somehow I don't think he died of natural causes.
Oh, really, Doctor?
Yeah, call it a woman's intuition.
Told you this is gonna be a waste of time.
There's gotta be more outposts around here. Let's keep looking.
I'm telling you, this place is crawling with freaks. You know what stalks mean? Polyps.
We haven't seen polyps for months. Relax. Oh, Baird, look. That house over there. I can see us, you and me. Couple of kids, a dog.
Yeah, a great big bottle of suicide pills.
Well, that'll save me poisoning your dinner.
Yeah, you'll miss me one day.
Only if somebody bumps my elbow.
Ha, ha, ha.
I'll take those. Look. What we got here?
Hey, you down there! Step into the light and do it slow! Try anything dumb and we'll blow your heads off!
Everybody chill. Relax, my man! Safety's on!
Hey, it's the Cog coming to civilize us. Ah, whoopee!
Yo, we're all in the same boat. We just want to trade for some food.
Well, we ain't got any spare food. And if we did, we wouldn't be trading it with you Cog assholes. Ooh. I'll give you a side of bacon for her, though.
Oh, bacon.
Hey, take the deal, Cole. I haven't had bacon in 6 months.
Thanks, but no thanks. Any other camps around?
Some. You can try the warehouse down at the pier. Or the stadium. Of course you gotta get past all the glowies first, but you hairy-assed heroes can breeze through all that shit.
Kinda antisocial, aren't they?
It's pronounced assholes.
Come on, we still got options. There's even an old grocery store around here. Let's see if my coupons are still good. Damn shame we ain't got Jack to rip that gate. I missed that little guy. Dibs here!
Hey, he isn't scrapped yet, okay? Just looking for a power supply for him. He'll be better than new before you know it. Let's just open this the Delta way.
Hey, Barry, why don't you hop on and I'll give you a push?
Yeah, you know what? No thanks.
We've got a live one!
Whatever the hell that is, that's a new world record in ugly. It's down
Maybe I've been too harsh on the polyps. I kind of prefer them to these new glowies. Cole, you sure you know where the grocery store is? I mean, when you were a big thrashball star, didn't you have people for that?
Yeah, one of them must have told me where it was when I was getting my manicure. Keep it moving. Yo, the store should be just up ahead. Let's cut through here. Dibs here! Carmine, look out!
Whoa! That was close.
Goodness! Ain't enough freaks to stop this man. One flag. One flag.
Good to go.
Another dead glowy. Oh, I think I'll take that.
Come on! Let's get inside the store before more glowies show up.
Huh. You ever feel like you did, but nobody told you? Okay, let's see what they got on special this week.
Righto. Where's the coffee?
Where's the pig?
Come on, let's work our way to the back. Look for anything useful.
Okay, Baird, now we've got polyps. Happy?
Yeah, ecstatic.
Incoming storm!
Drop the studs! Incoming glowies!
Never get between a woman and a bargain, dickhead.
Yo, I got a shutout going, baby! Not your day, motherfucker! Let's go to space! Coltrane! Shoot him in the stomach! Wow!
Target the bombs!
I'm out. Dead Clovis!
I'm out!
Clean up on aisle 5.
Going deep for the long con, baby. Oh, the Coltrane 10, baby. Let me see. Glowies, nothing. Ah!
Never saw you play, Cole. Must have been quite something.
Oh, I'm still in, baby. You know, I just gotta get back into training.
Nothing back here but another door.
Well, let's check it out. Don't mind if I do.
Oh, shit! There's a locker in the way!
Okay, start looking for a way to move it.
Oh, nice. That's handy.
Not you. I know what happens when you let an angry chick loose with a mechanical load.
Hey, we might be in luck for a change. This stuff could be usable.
Call the KR-70. We request a grocery evac. We struck gold, son.
Roger that. The LZ's crawling with glowies, though. Give us a hand clearing them out, will ya? We'll drop a smoke to mark the pickup area.
You got it. Come on, let's get this stuff outside.
Hey, I see the green smoke!
Yo, another stock! Let's have some covering fire!
Those things are gonna be all over us! Let's clear the LZ and get this stuff to the pickup point fast!
Come on, we need to move this car!
Let's use the loader! bug out.
Okay, KR-70, you're clear for pickup.
KR-70, load secure. Cole, get your guys out of here. We'll cover you.
You heard the man. Time to love him and leave him, baby.